We can also have nested dictionaries. A nested dictionary might look like this. This is a relatively simple nested dictionary in which we might have an employee database, and we have in that nested dictionary, in the main dictionary, D employees, we have three items, three key and value pairs. Okay, so this is a key, colon, value, comma, next item, next key, next value, third key, third value. What you'll notice is the values are another dictionary. So name and job for employee one are stored in another dictionary inside. So if I wanted to, let's say I have that. If I print D employees EMP1, then it will print that whole record for EMP1. If I want to, I could just print employee one's name. By doing this, then I'm saying employee one name, and it gives me Bob. So you can see how a data structure like this, if I had a whole bunch of employees and I have a whole bunch of information about each employee, I could get that information really quickly and really easily just by knowing certain things. If I want to, I could access the key and value of the dictionary like this and print each key and value. So now it's printing the key, which if you remember, the key is what comes before the colon. The value is what comes after. So key, value. You can see the value is itself a dictionary. So in here, if I just wanted to print, let's say, their name, since I know that value in this loop is a dictionary each time, I could just print their name by providing that key that I'm looking for. And now it will print each of their names with the employee. Right? I could also do something like this. Oops, job. Was it job? Yeah, job. Okay, so I can insert those values. I could just as easily add those to a variable or do something else with them. But the idea is we have a very powerful tool now to use where we can create these structures where all of the data is very organized and easy to access through those keys. So that is what a nested dictionary looks like. And again, in the main one, we have a key, and then the value is this whole dictionary. Since the value is a dictionary, it has keys and values also. Key, value, key, value. So to access something like that, I'm going to use the keys. I'm going to say D employees, EMP1 in square brackets, and then another set of square brackets if I want to access the name with the string name in it. And that tells Python that I'm looking for this value.